Hi, grade fives. Today I'm going to help you with how to be able to complete your lesson 3 reflections assignment posted on Google Classroom. So I remember from what I learned about reflections yesterday that when a shape is reflected, it's almost like you're looking at it in the mirror. It's a reflection image. We always start with an original shape. So in this case, where this shape says original, this is going to be my starting shape. I am not going to manipulate and move that shape, okay? Now, there are also other things here on the assignment that I want you to know. There are vertical lines of reflection along with a horizontal line of reflection. I'm not quite sure which one I need to use yet, so I'm going to do a little bit more reading on this assignment to see whether or not I can be successful. So I noticed that this shape, the original shape here, is the exact same shape as this shape here on the left, the blue shape. So I'm going to read, and it says, move this shape, the blue shape, to show a reflection over a horizontal axis. Well, I remember that the word horizontal means left to right from my geometry unit. So in that case, if I know I'm going to be using a horizontal axis, that means I'm going to be using a horizontal line of reflection. So this is the line here I'm going to use. So I'm going to click and hold my cursor and drag it down. Now I can put that line of reflection above the original shape or below the original shape. It does not matter one bit as long as you're using the proper line of reflection. Now, when I put my line of reflection on the grid, it should be close to center, if not perfectly center, above or below my original shape. So for today, I'm going to put it above the original shape. Now, if I'm moving the shape around, there'll be some little red lines that kind of pop up. So what I want to do is I want to usually place that line, horizontal line of reflection, about one grid space above my original image. Okay, so I'm going to click it there. That looks pretty good. The next thing that I need to do is move my blue shape so that it creates a mirror image of my original shape. So again, I'm going to click and drag, and I'm going to move that shape around to where I think it needs to become a mirrored image of the original shape. Now, if I was to leave that shape there, grade 5, that doesn't become a mirror image of my original shape. So what I need to do is I need to center this blue shape. Now, as I drag over, I'm going to watch for a line right there. There it is, that red line that will show me that my original shape and my blue shape has been perfectly centered. Now, the other thing I want you to notice is that we are one grid space away from the line of reflection, and we are also one grid space away here from the original line of reflection, okay? So that's kind of what you want to make sure that you do. If you're one grid space away from your original image, you should be one grid space away when you are reflecting that original image, okay? Now, if I wanted to, I could put my horizontal line of reflection right here, 2 grid spaces away. And then in that case, I would be 2 grid spaces away from my original image, just like that. Okay, so it does need to be a match on either side. All right, now for this assignment, I'm only having you use horizontal lines of reflection as well as vertical lines of reflection. We have learned that we can have diagonal lines of reflection, but for this assignment today, I'm just going to have you focus on horizontal and vertical lines of reflection. Good luck, grade 5.